Find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum values of this function on the given interval. This is a closed interval 0, 3. So absolute maximum or minimum of a function occur at the endpoints of the given interval or at the critical numbers. So we need to find the critical numbers of this function. To find the critical numbers, we need to find the derivative, and we said derivative equals 0 to solve for x. Okay, let's find the derivative. So let me use prime notation. So derivative of this fraction. So we got a fraction, so we know the quotient rule. When we have a fraction, its derivative will be on the bottom is square, on the top u prime v minus v prime u. So u is x and v is x squared plus 1. Then this will be on the bottom is square. Okay, square means quantity square. On the top, derivative of x 1 times the bottom minus v prime, derivative of bottom. That's 2x plus 0, just 2x times x. Let's simplify. On the bottom we got x squared plus 1 quantity square. 1 times x squared plus 1 is just that, minus 2xx, 2x squared. Now let's simplify. On the bottom, x squared plus 1 quantity square, x squared minus 2x squared. They are like terms, so minus 1x squared. So let's put 1 first. 1 minus x squared. Okay, that's the derivative. Now we set the derivative 0 to find the critical numbers. That means 1 minus x squared over x squared plus 1 quantity square equals 0. Now we solve this for x. Note that 0 can be written as 0 over 1. Then we have only one fraction in the left, only one fraction in the right side, so we can do cross multiplication. Okay, so this bottom times 0 will be 0, so top is 1 minus x squared times 1. So 1 minus x squared equals 0. Okay, now we can factor or we can move 1 over. Either way we get 2x values. Let's factor. This is the difference of 2 squares, so 1 plus x, 1 minus x equals 0. From this, 1 plus x 0 means subtract 1 from both sides, x equals negative 1. From here, x equals 1. But our interval is in between 0 and 3. Okay, here is 0, let's say this is 3. So we need to evaluate the function at these endpoints and at any critical number that is inside here. Negative 1 and 1. Negative 1 is outside, so we will disregard this. 1, yes, we will take that. So finally, the last thing we need to do is evaluate this function at these 3 points. Endpoints 0, 3 and the critical number inside that. Okay. So let's make a table now. Just the value we can do here. X and the function is the question. X over x squared plus 1. 0, 1, 3. 0, 1, 3. Let's plug in 0. So 0 over 0 is squared. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 over 1 is just 0. Okay. Let's plug in 1. So 1 over 1 is squared. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 over 2. Let's plug in 3. So 3 over 3 squared. 9 plus 1, 10. 3 tenths. Okay. Now we look at these are the values. These are the locations. X values are the locations. So here 0, 1, 3 tenths. So absolute maximum is 1/2. Right, and then this is 0.3, this is 0.50. So absolute maximum value is 1/2 at x equals 0, the location. Absolute minimum value is 0 at x equals 0.